Hello all, welcome to session 23 of CSharp.net training series. In this session, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate different types of operators in C Sharp. So let's get started. First of all, what exactly are these operators? Okay, what are these operators in C Sharp? Let me explain. Operators are nothing but they are just symbols, guys. Okay, operators are nothing but symbols using which we can perform operations. So, example, let me give an example for these symbols, that is operators. Operators are nothing but symbols. For example, if I take an symbol like plus symbol, okay, this plus is an operator which is nothing but a symbol. So, what we can achieve with this plus, for example, if I say 5 plus 4, what will be the result? 9. Okay, so these are nothing but operators, guys. Operators are nothing but symbols using which we can perform operations on the operands. As explained here, what are operators? Operators are nothing but symbols for performing operations on the operands. Here, what are operands? 5 and 4 are the operands. Here, plus is operator, 5 and 4 are the operands. Using this operator symbols, we can perform operations on the operands. Fine. So, in C Sharp, there are different types of operators. That is arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and conditional operators, and other operators also. But these are the major operators types we have in C Sharp. Let's start with the arithmetic operators. Okay. Let's start with the arithmetic operators. Let me expand this. So under arithmetic operator, we have plus, minus, asterisk, division symbol. Okay, percentile symbol, plus plus minus minus. What is this addition? Okay, what is this plus means? Plus means addition, guys. Okay, plus stands for addition, minus stands for subtraction, like so on. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, so in the arithmetic operators, we have this set of operators that is starting from plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, plus plus and minus minus. We'll start with the plus operand, the plus operator, that is plus symbol, which actually means addition. So let me launch Visual Studio. Okay, the Visual Studio has been launched. So let's do the operations here, guys. So first, I'll show you the plus operator. Okay, that is which belongs to the arithmetic operators. That is plus operator, which stands for addition. So here I'll create some two variables. Int a is equal to 5, comma b is equal to 4. Like these two variables I'll create. If I say CW a plus b, which operator we have used here? Plus operator. Okay, addition operator, which belongs to arithmetic operators. So I'll run this code, and what will be the result here? A plus b will result in 5 plus 4, that is 9 should be resulted. Okay, 9 should be the answer. Let's run this code and we should get the result as 9. 5 plus 4, a plus b, that is 5 plus 4, 9 should be printed in the output. Done. Okay. Similarly, let's go with the next operator, that is minus operator, which stands for subtraction. So here in place of a plus b, or else in new line, I'll write a minus b. Okay. This will result in a minus b, that is 5 minus 4, that is 1. Okay, 1 should be the result in this case. 5 minus 4 is 1. You see, we got the result as 1. Now next one. Next one is a asterisk symbol, which stands for multiplication. Okay, multiplication operation. So here I'll say CW a multiplied by b, a asterisk b. So 5 into 4. Okay, 5 multiplied by 4. 5 for the 20. We'll get the result as 20. So if I run this code, we'll get the result as 20. You see, we got the result as 20 here. Done. The next one is a division. Okay, this forward slash means division here. The symbol is forward slash CW a divided by b. Okay, we'll get the division. How many times this 5 can be divided by 4? Only one time. Okay, so we'll get the result as 1, guys. Here, let's run this. We should get the result as 1. You see, we got the result as 1 here. 5 can be divided by 4 only one time. And then next one is a percentile, which stands for modulus, which gives you the reminder, guys. Okay, if you use this modulus operator, it's going to give you the reminder of the two values which are operated. Okay, CW, I'll write a modulus b. Okay, a modulus b, that is 5 modulus 4. What is the reminder after dividing 5 with 4? What will be the reminder? 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 is called 1. 1 will be the reminder. So you'll get the result as 1 only. Reminder is 1. You see, we got the reminder as 1. Then what is the next one? We have plus plus and minus minus operators. So what I will do is I'll just clear this out. Okay, so these are like plus is a increment operator, minus is a decrement operator. First let's see the increment operator. Here in increment again we have pre-increment and post-increment. I'll explain that. First we'll go with the uh, pre-increment. After that we'll go with the post-increment. Fine. So here I'll say CWA. Okay. What will be printed here if I say CWA? 5 will be printed. Now CW, that is console.write line. I'll say plus A. What will be printed here? When I say plus A in this statement, what will be printed? Here first A will be incremented by 1. Okay. The value of this value that is stored in the variable A will be incremented by 1 first. After that printing will happen. That means A is having 5. 5 will be incremented by 1. How much will 5 will A will become? A will become 6. So that 6 will be printed here in this line itself. Okay. First increment will happen, then only printing will happen. Again, when I print A, here also it will print 6 only. Okay. So run this code. Now A will be first 5, then 6. Okay, done. So fine, this is all good. What if I write something like this? CW, that is console.write line. I'll say B. I'll print B. What will be printed here when I say B? 4 will be printed. Okay. You see the value that is stored in B is 4. 4 will be printed. Here again console.write line. I'll say B plus plus this time. This is post increment operator. Earlier whatever I have shown you is the pre increment. You see plus A is the pre increment operator. A plus plus is the post increment operator. Okay. So how does this work? Again, I will say console.write line B. So in this statement, what will be printed? First, value of B will be printed. What is the current value of B? That is 4 will be printed. After that, after printing 4, the value of B will be incremented by 1. After printing only, the value of B will be incremented by 1. Then B will become 5 here. In the next line, when you print B, B will be printed as 5. 445 should be printed. Let's see. Last values, that is 445. Okay, 445 got printed. So this is a pre-increment and post-increment. Similarly, we can go with the pre-decrement and post-decrement operators. Okay, post-decrement. This is a pre-decrement. This is a post-decrement. How this will work? First, when you print A, 5 will be printed. Minus A means first decrement will happen. Decrementing of this value that is stored in the variable A by 1 will happen. -1 will happen. So 5 minus 1, here 4 will be printed. First decrement, then printing. After that, the value of A will be anyhow 4. Okay. Now in this case, 4 will be printed here, B will be 4, and after that B minus is a post decrement. That means first the value of B will be printed, 4 will be printed, after that only it will be decremented. That means B minus 1 will happen later. So in by the time you go to the new line, it will become 3, B will become 3. Okay, B minus 1 will happen after the next line. Okay, so run this code. 544443, 544443 is the result. So this is what is a pre-increment and post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement operators. Okay, pre-decrement is minus A, post-decrement is A minus. Okay, done. So these are the different arithmetic operators we have. I demonstrated all these arithmetic operators for you now, just now. Now let's move on to the next category of operators, that is relational operators. Okay, next category of next type of operators are relational operators. What are these relational operators? You see less than or equal to, greater than, comparison operators, simple words. Okay, greater than or equal to, and then equal to, not equal to. Okay, so less than operator, less than or equal to operator, greater than operator, greater than or equal to operator, and not equal to operator. Okay, let me demonstrate all these things at a go. So here I'll do something. I'll say in C is equal to 5 again, and D is equal to 3, E is equal to some 8. Okay, like this some values I'll give randomly. Okay, now let's use the relational operators. Console.write line A greater than B. Console.write line A greater than C. Okay, console.write line A greater than E. What will be the result, guys? In this case, what will be the result? A greater than B, A greater than C, A greater than E. A is 5, 5 greater than 4. True or false? 5 is greater than 4. Is true or false? It's true. So here true will be printed in the output. Okay. The result of this relational operator will be either true or false. In this case, since it is true, that is 5 is greater than 4, true will be printed. What about the second one? A greater than C, 5 greater than 5. 5 and 5 are equal. A and C are equal, but they are not greater than or something. So false will be printed. What about the last one? A greater than E, 5 greater than 8. 5 is less than 8, but not greater than. So it's also false. So if I run this code, true, false, false should be printed. You say true, false, false. Similarly, I'll do one thing. I'll just reverse this operator. I'll just put instead of greater than symbol, I'll put less than symbol here. Okay, now let's see what will be the result. A less than B. 5 is less than 4, which is false. 5 is greater than 4, but not less. So false will be printed. Then A less than C. 5 is less than 5. 5 and 5 are equal. A and C are equal, but they are not less or something. So here also false. Then A less than E. 5 less than 8. Yes, 5 is really less than 8. So this will be written true. False, true, false, false, true. Okay. False, false, true will be the result. Yes, false, false, true got printed in the output. Done. So we are done with the two operators in this relational less than symbol and greater than operator. We are done with. Now let's go with the less than or equal to followed by greater than or equal to. Okay. First, let's go with the less than or equal to. I'll just put the equal symbol here. After the less than operator, it will become less than or equal to. Now what will be the result? A less than or equal to B. 5 less than or equal to B. 5 is neither less than nor equal. So still false. Right? So next one. A less than or equal to C. 5 is less than or equal to C. 5 is not less than C, but 5 is equal to C. Since one of the operator is kind of okay, so it will result true here. Okay. Either it should be less than or equal. Since it is equal, it is true. Then A less than or equal to E. 5 less than or equal to 8. Yes, it is true. Less than is true in this case, right? Since it is one of the operator is true, it is true. False to true should be the result. False to true should be the result. Yes. Now replace this less than with greater than symbol. Greater than or equal to, instead of less than or equal to, we'll use greater than or equal to symbol. Okay, then A greater than or equal to B. 5 greater than or equal to 4. Yes, 5 is greater than 4 already. Okay, no need to be equal. So it is true. A greater than or equal to C. 5 is greater than or equal to. It's not greater than, but it is equal. So it is true. A greater than or equal to E. 5 is greater than 8 is false. 5 is equal to 8 is false. So this one is false. Last one is false. So true, true, false. True, true, false. Done. Next. So these four relational operators are over. Now let's go with the next relational operator, that is double equal. Okay. A double equal to B. A double equal to C. A equal to E. Okay. Which one is true? 5 equal to 4. False. 5 is not equal to 4. False. 5 equal to 5. A is equal to C is 5 equal to 5. Yes, this is true. They are same. Okay. Then A is equal to E. A is 5 and E is 8. 5 equal to 8. Again false. False, true, false. Should get false, true, false as a result. Yes. Now not equal. Okay. So we'll replace equal operator with the equal to operator with the not equal to operator. Okay. Just put this exclamation mark in one of the symbols. It will become not equal. A not equal to B. 5 is not equal to 4. Yes, it's not equal. So this is true. Then 5 not equal to C. Sorry, A not equal to C. 5 is not equal to 5 is false. They are equal. So this is false. Since we are saying not equal, it's false. A not equal to E. 5 not equal to 8. False or true? Not equal to 8 is true only. Right? True. True, false, true. Run this. True, false, true should be the result. Yes. Done. So these are the different relational operators we have, guys. Now let's move on to the next type of operators, that is logical operators. Okay. Logical and operator. This is logical or operator. This is logical not operator. Okay. So let me show you the diagrams anyhow. Coming to the first one, that is logical and operator. Okay. Logical and operator. Here logical and operator works in this way. For example, A is true and B is false. A and B. A logical and operator, B. So if both the sides are true, only true. Okay. True, other side is false. So it will become false. Here false or true. Since one of the side is false, it will become false. False, false. Both are false means that obviously it is false. But when both the sides are true, A is true and B is true, then only true. Okay. Then only true. Let me show you this practically. Okay. So here I'll say bool A is equal to true, B is equal to false, C is equal to true, D is equal to false for now. Okay. Like this we can write. and console.writeLine. A logic aligned, B. Then console.writeLine, B logic aligned, C. B logic aligned, C. Then console.writeLine, A not A, B logic aligned, B logic aligned, D. The last one, console.writeLine, A logic aligned, C. Okay, these are the four cases. In case of A and B, A is true and B is false. Since one of the side is false, this will become false. B and C. B is false, C is true. Since one of the side is false, false. Both should be true to be true. Otherwise, it will be false. Here B and D. B is false, D is also false. Hence false. And last one, A and C. A is true and C is true. Both sides are true. Then only true. Okay. False, 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 true should be the result. Let's run this. Yeah. False, 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 true. So instead of giving like directly Boolean values, you can also give something like this. Okay. Console.writeLine. For example, if you have something like this, int x is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. Okay. So you can give something like this. Okay. So um, x is greater than y, logic aligned, y is less than x. Like this you can give. So this side x greater than y, x greater than y, 5 greater than y is true, right? True. Y less than x, y less than x is 4 less than 5. Yes, that is also true. True and true. What will be the result? It will become true like this. Okay, like this also you can evaluate based on the expressions. So instead of going with the expressions, I am directly giving the Boolean values so that your understanding will be easy. Okay. Here replace this logical AND with the logical OR operator. Okay, which is the reverse of logical AND operator. If both the sides are false only, it will become false. Otherwise, in all the cases, it will become true. One of the side is true means it will become true. So here A is true, B is false. Since one of the side is true, it will become true. It will result in true. B or C. B is false, but C is true. Since one of the side is true, it will become true. B or D. False, false. Since both the sides are false, it will be false. This is the only case where it will become false when both the sides are false. Last one, A is true and C is true. Both the sides are true, it will become true. So the result will be true, true, false, true. Run this, true, true, false, true, 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 false, true. As you can see in this case, in this diagram also you can see, if both the sides are false only, if A is false and B is false, then only false. Otherwise, remaining all true, true, true. Okay. Now, very simple operator, that is logical NOT operator, which is a reverse. If you give true, it will not of A is true means not of A will become false. Opposite of true is false. If you give A as false, then opposite of A will be true. Okay. So let's do that. Let me remove this, not required. Console.writeLine, not of A. So A is true, so not of A will become false. Console.writeLine, B is false, and if I say not of B means not of false is true. Reverse of false is true. So like this, false true. Run this. False and true will come. False true. Done. Next. Logical NOR operator is over. Logical operators are over. Then finally assignment operators. Okay. The next type of operators are assignment operators. In assignment operators, we have normal assignment operator and we have compound assignment operators. First, normal assignment operator we are already using, right? Okay, normal assignment operator we are already using for initializing and reinitializing. For example, if I say int A is equal to 9, A is equal to 15, here, whatever the operator you are using, right? Whatever the operator you are using for assigning the value on the right side to the left side variable, right? This is called as assignment operator. Here we are using the assignment operator for assignment operator. We are using for what? Assignment operator used for initialization. First time when you are assigning means initialization. Okay, initializing the value. Initializing. Second time if you are updating the value means is not initialization. Okay, here also we are using assignment operator for reinitialization, and this is called as used for initialization. Okay, here initialization, here reinitialization. Okay. Okay, in both the cases of initialization or reinitialization, we are using the operator known as assignment operator. This is what is assignment operator, guys. Okay, this is what is known as assignment operator. So we can either use the assignment operator for initializing, or we can also use for updating the value. I already explained how to assign the value. Okay, update the value, and also we can assign single value to multiple variables at the same time using the assignment operator. This is also possible. Just see this example, guys. Int x comma, three variables I am creating, x comma y comma z. At a time I want to initialize all these three variables using the assignment operator. Int x is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal to, if I say 9, and if I say cw, that is console.writeLine x. The shortcut here for console.writeLine is cw tab tab. Okay, y, console.writeLine z. So what will be printed? So in all these three variables, the value 9 is stored. 9 is stored into z, then it is stored into y, then it's stored into x. So here 9 will be printed. Using the assignment operator, we are able to assign multiple variables. Okay, assign value to the multiple variables in a single line. All will be printed as 9. 3 nines will be printed. You see, 3 nines got printed. Done. So here operator is, this is the operator case. Okay, this is the operator. This is the assignment operator. So if I write a statement like this, int a is equal to 9. In this statement, int is a data type, whereas a is a variable. Equal to symbol is the operator, and 9 is the literal, guys. Okay, I'll explain more about literals later. Here is the topic of literals. So I'll explain different type of literals in this topic. Okay, till then let's wait. Okay, now the next one is compound assignment operators. Okay, this is a normal assignment operator. Now let's move on to the compound assignment operators. Compound assignment operators, that is shorthand operators. Shorthand assignment operators look something like this: plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to. These are the different compound assignment operators. How they work, I'll show you. Int a is equal to 5. Now if I say int, if I say a plus equal to 4 and console.writeLine, if I say print a, what will be the result, guys? A is equal to 5, a plus is equal to 4. Here we, whatever I use is the compound assignment operator or shorthand assignment operator, which is internally equal to, a is equal to, this a plus is equal to 4 is equal to a is equal to a plus 4. A is equal to a plus 4. Okay, internally a plus is equal to 4 is nothing but represented as a is equal to a plus 4. That means the value of a is 4, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So a is storing what? 9 will be printed in the output. Run this code, you will see the 9 as the output. You see 9 got printed in the output. What if I say a minus equal to 4? A minus equal to 4. In this case, what will happen? This is internally represented as a is equal to a minus 4. So what is a is equal to a minus 4? A is 5. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. A is equal to 1. So it will print 1 now. Run this code, 1 will be printed. Done. The next one, a multiplication equal to 4. That is equal to a is equal to a into 4 internally. That is a is equal to 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. So 20 should be printed here. Run this code, 20 should be printed in the result. 20 got printed in the result. The next one is a division equal to 4. That is equal to a is equal to a divided by 4. How many times the value of a, that is 5, will be divided by 4? Only one time. So a will be storing 1. 1 will be the result. You see, 1 is the result. Then finally, a modulus equal to 4. That is equal to a is equal to a modulus 4. What is the remainder of a divided by 4? The 5 divided by 4, the remainder will become 1. So the result is again 1. Run this, 1 will be the result. So these are the different compound assignment operators I demonstrated just now. Okay, these are the different compound assignment operators I just now demonstrated. Finally, 4 types of operators are done. The last type of operator, that is conditional operator, which is also known as ternary operator, is left out. The symbol for this ternary operator or conditional operator is question mark colon. How to use this? This is example, guys. Okay, this is example for ternary operator or conditional operator. How does this work? I am going to show you. Okay. So we'll do one thing. Int a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, c, I'll say c, but we don't know what is c. Okay, c is equal to, C is equal to, so I'll write the condition like this. Okay, if A is greater than B, like this. Okay, okay, in this A greater than B, then question mark. If A greater than B, then assign the value of C as 9. Okay, otherwise colon. If not, then assign 3. Okay, like that. Now if I print C, what will be printed in this case? You see, already I'm using conditional operator, or we can call it as ternary operator, question mark and colon. Already we are using this operator, question mark and colon. Okay, if I print C, what will be the result? Here guys, this expression will be evaluated first of all. Okay, in this conditional operator thing, this expression will be evaluated, that is A greater than B, 5 is greater than 4. True or false? True. If it is true, this, okay, before the colon, whatever that is there on the left side, right, that will be assigned to this variable C. Okay, here 9 will be assigned to C. So when you print C, what will be printed in this case? 9 will be printed. Okay, since it is true. Since A is greater than B is true, so 9 got printed. What if I change the values here? I'll just change it to 2 here. Okay. So in this case, what will happen? What will be the result? A greater than B. Is 2 greater than 4? No. True is 2 is not greater than 4. It is false. In case of false, 3 will be assigned. 3 on the right side of the colon symbol will be assigned to C. So here 3 will be printed in the output. This is what is a conditional operator or ternary operator. Okay. 3 will be printed in the output. Here guys, it can be anything. These values can be anything. Okay. So put a semicolon here. Let's put some string here. What if I put here, instead of 9, I'll put my name, first name Arun, and if not, I'll put last name Moturi. So in this case, what will be the result? I print C, what will be printed? A is equal to B is equal to 4. 2 greater than 4, false. If it is false, it will go for the this case. If it is true, it will go for this case. If it is false, it will go for this case. Since it is false, 2 greater than 4 is false. It will take Moturi and store into the C. So when you print C, it will print Moturi in the output. Okay, Moturi will be printed in the output. My last name will be printed in the output. Okay. So what if I give some 5 here, and in this case this condition will become true. 5 greater than 4 is true. In this case, since it is true, it will take this one. Arun will be stored into C, and Arun will be printed in the output this time. Okay. Here Arun will be printed in the output. Run this code. Arun will be printed in the output. So this is what is called as a conditional operator or ternary operator. With this operator, I am done explaining all the different type of operators in C#. So hope guys you understood what exactly are these operators in a practical way in this session. So that's all for this session. I'll explain another concept of C# in the next session. Till then, see you. Bye bye.